the tailgate shut, come in 16mm and make some marks along here. Like so, and so. So come in 685 from this edge to the centre, and then you should have the same from the other edge to the centre. Yeah, so line your base plate up at your 16mm marks and centre, and then mark each hole. Ready for drilling. Drill each hole. Rust preventative. A little bit onto each hole. Do that for all of them. And fitted. Take the edge piece. So that goes hard up against this edge here. So you push that in at the top and bottom. And then mark your holes. Drill them through, and then we're going to fix that on. So that there, whilst this has a gap in it, that's okay. That there should sit roughly flush with the two edges. So this edge and that edge is what's going to hold your pinch weld. Under here will be a foam pad which goes in there. And then you do the same to both sides. If that were a straight edge, you're going to bolt this on. You're going to bolt this piece here to the edge, so that these two pieces here pretty much line up flush. So your pinch weld will just go along this bottom here and then continue up along to here. And you'll have a piece of foam in here which will help seal this piece here over to the edge. And then your pinch weld as well. So I think this is a much better system than the ones I've seen where you just stick on a bit of seal. Because let's be honest, anything just stuck on by itself is not real good. The piece of foam you put in here, it's going to force down with this side. So you're actually going to be holding that foam in place. Make sure you put some rust preventative on all your holes and deburr them. Use the alcohol wipe to clean this up. Pretty simple. Right, start sliding on the pinch weld and attach the brackets to it that hold it in place. There and there. Then all you do is as you go along, you just hit it down with a soft mallet to seat it on. And that's it. And then cut it and trim it at the end. Now we place our cover strip on. And screw it on. And that is the EGR dust defense kit installed in the new Dmax. And it's one hell of a seal. Bloody good. All locks in. It's amazing. It's a really good quality, this, compared to the other one I've seen, which was stick-on. The only problem with the X-Terrain is that you still have a gap up in here with your roller cover. So I'm going to put a bit of Celastic in there. Where is it? In there. I'm going to put a bit of Celastic in that just to seal that hole between where the roller cover seal is and the side of the, which you've got on both sides. And that's your only dust ingress that's left once you've got your seal on. And here it is when it's closed up. That is sealed beautifully. It does a really good job. That seals up nicely. That'll keep the dust out of you without any dramas. You can feel it when you open the tailgate up. It's a little bit harder to open with the seal there. I'd highly recommend the EGR dust seal. Highly recommend it. Really good job. Seals beautifully.